Welcome to this short animation about how to make a HÜGELKULTUR bed for growing your own food. But what is HÜGELKULTUR? HÜGELKULTUR originated in Europe, specifically Germany and Eastern Europe, and is thought to have been practiced for centuries, perhaps even thousands of years. It is likely that the knowledge was passed down from one generation to another through oral traditions, and this spread from one village to another throughout the countryside. It is now regarded as a popular and successful permaculture technique. HÜGELKULTUR is a German word comprised of Hügel, meaning hill or mound, and Kultur, meaning, well, culture. Put them together and you have hill culture or mound culture, and has many advantages. Let us go through them. Number 1, it recycles garden waste. Number 2, increases surface area for planting. Number 3, it helps to retain moisture. Number 4, it provides lots of nutrients for plants. Number 5, it lengthens the growing season by releasing heat from the decaying organic matter. And number 6, once you've made it and you've planted it up, you do not have to dig. If you do everything right and then wait patiently, you will get bumper harvests. How to make a HÜGELKULTUR bed. First, pick a suitable spot in your garden and create a boundary to the bed, either by digging a trench to drain water off the mound, or by building a retaining wall using rocks. Next, put down your first layer. Here I have scattered some ash from a fire pit. On top of that, stack logs, branches, twigs, or dead leaves, or sawdust or bark chippings. This is the second layer, called brown matter. By contrast, the third layer is called green matter and consists of organic material such as leaves, green twigs or branches, weeds, grass cuttings. On top of that, you can pile some of your homemade compost, and then a layer of aged manure. Or alternatively, you can mix those two layers together if you like. On top of that, pile a good deep layer of fertile soil. Ideally, it is important that this is well-drained soil and not clayey or contains too much silt. To protect your HÜGELKULTUR bed during the winter months or cooler season, pile on top of your mound some straw or mulch. Thank you all for watching, and happy planting.